Hi, welcome back to my channel. Many of us have experienced tired, cranky, and spending the day and nod after spending a night while tossing and turning. But you will feel something more than just being groggy and grumpy after missing a shut-eye sleep for recommended hours. Although we all know that sleep deprivation has some adverse effects on our health. What are they? Well, the long-term sleep deprivation causes devastation to your body systems. It's true. Sleep deprivation shakes your mental health, puts your physical health at stake. It causes problems like weight gain and weakens the immune system. Read below to get to know how sleep deprivation affects different systems of the body. Before we delve into it, I will encourage you to subscribe to my channel for more health tips. Thank you. What are the causes of sleep deprivation? Although sleep deprivation is not a disease in itself, it is the side effect or result of certain other health disorders, medicines, or other life circumstances. Sleep deprivation is more common in older people rather than young adults. However, older people need the same duration of sleep as much as young people. Yet, a large older population sleep lightly and for lesser hours. Few common causes of sleep deprivation are sleeping disorder. These include sleep apnea, narcolepsy, insomnia, GERD, aging. It affects the sleeping pattern because of health disorders and sometimes medicine illness. Common issues are depression, chronic pain syndrome, Alzheimer's, cancer, stroke. What are the symptoms? At first, the symptoms are minor, but over time, the problem can become severe. Early symptoms are drowsiness, decreased concentration, memory loss, physical tiredness. Severe symptoms include an increased risk of developing disorders such as depression, hallucinations, stroke, asthma, severe mood swings, insomnia. What is the treatment of sleep deprivation? Treatment of the problem depends on the severity of the issue. For the first step, the doctor may not prescribe the medicine and want you to adopt self-care methods. For more serious disorders, the doctor may try specific other treatment plans such as sleeping pills, but the drug's efficacy keeps on decreasing after a few weeks of light therapy. It can help a person with serious insomnia. Light therapy includes the readjustment of the internal biological clock. How to prevent sleep deprivation? Simple strategies can make a difference and improve your sleep. A regular exercise of a half an hour daily exercise makes you fall asleep better at night. Another way is to reduce the intake of caffeine, nicotine, and alcohol helps you to sleep better. Quitting smoking. Limiting daytime naps, refraining from caffeine past noon and going to bed, sticking to your bedtime schedule, also avoiding heavy meals before bedtime and refraining from using electronic devices right before bed. If the problem continues, then consult your doctor for diagnosis of an underlying health condition. Effects of sleep deprivation. Sleep deprivation can have profound and long-lasting effects on health. The negative effects of sleep deprivation can result in physical, mental, and psychological disorders. A few major systems affected by the problem are discussed below. Central nervous system. The central nervous system is the information gateway of the body. Adequate sleep is required to keep the system running properly, as sleep deprivation affects the processing of information in the brain. New pathways are formed between nerve cells during sleep that is helpful to remember the information you learn. Irregular sleep patterns also harm the mental abilities and emotional well-being of a person. It badly affects the decision-making and creative skills of a person. Long-term sleep deprivation can result in psychological disorders. Sleep deprivation prevents the immune system from defending the body against diseases in an effective way. Respiratory system. When you wake up at nighttime and again, it results in sleep deprivation, leaving a person more vulnerable to respiratory infections. It causes common cold, flu, and even makes existing respiratory problems like chronic lung illness worse. In the absence of enough sleep, the brain reduces the leptin and raises the levels of ghrelin. The flux of this appetite stimulant can explain the factor of night snacking, leading to obesity. Decreased sleep can make a person feel tired and physically inactive during the day. Overtime reduces physical activity and makes you obese because of less calorie burning. In conclusion, sleep deprivation affects all the systems of the body, including physical and mental health. Sleep is important in all age groups, and lack of it can affect the cognitive abilities of a person. However, its effects can be devastating for the younger population as they are in the developing phase. Sleeping disorders should not be ignored at any stage of life. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.